Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have something very exciting lined up for you. Are you ready to embark on a journey of first date success? Because we are. Whether you're a seasoned dater or stepping into the dating world for the first time, these tips are designed to help you leave a lasting impression on that special someone. So grab a notepad, sit back, and let's dive right in. Chapter 1. Start with a warm and genuine smile. Let's kick things off with one of the simplest yet most powerful tools you have, your smile. A warm and genuine smile can set the tone for the entire date. It shows that you're approachable, friendly, and genuinely happy to be there. When you greet her with a smile, it instantly breaks the ice and creates a positive atmosphere. Remember, first impressions are lasting impressions, and a smile is your best foot forward. So, as you prepare for your first date, practice that warm and genuine smile in the mirror. Chapter 2. Be punctual. Now let's talk about something that speaks volumes about your character, punctuality. Punctuality is often overlooked, but it's one of the most important aspects of making a good impression. Whether it's a job interview, a business meeting, or a date, being on time sets the tone for how others perceive you. Being on time is more than just a courtesy. It shows that you respect her time and value the effort she's put into meeting you. It demonstrates that you are organized and can manage your time well. This is especially important in the early stages of a relationship where first impressions are crucial. Arriving late can give the impression that you're not serious or that you don't care, and that's definitely not the vibe you want to give off. It can make the other person feel undervalued and unimportant, which can be a deal breaker in any relationship. On the other hand, arriving on time or even a few minutes early shows that you're reliable and considerate. It indicates that you are someone who can be counted on, which is a highly attractive quality. It also gives you a few moments to gather your thoughts and prepare for the meeting or date. It's a small gesture, but it makes a big impact. Punctuality can set the stage for a successful interaction, making the other person feel respected and valued. It's a simple way to show that you care. So, remember, punctuality is key. It's not just about being on time, it's about showing respect, reliability, and consideration. Make it a habit, and you'll find that it pays off in more ways than one. Chapter 3. Dress appropriately. Next up, let's talk about dressing appropriately. Your outfit is a reflection of the effort and thought you've put into the date. Consider the venue and the type of date you're going on. Is it a casual coffee date, a nice dinner, or an outdoor adventure? Your outfit should match the vibe of the date. Pay attention to the details. Make sure your clothes are clean, well-fitted, and appropriate for the weather. Dressing appropriately not only impresses her, but also boosts your own confidence, making the date more enjoyable for both of you. Chapter 4. Show genuine interest in her. One of the most important aspects of a successful first date is showing genuine interest in her. This means being curious about her life, her hobbies, her opinions, and her experiences. Start by asking open-ended questions that encourage her to share more about herself. As she shares, listen actively, nod, smile, and make eye contact to show that you're engaged. Reflect on what she says and ask follow-up questions. Remember, showing genuine interest is about more than just words. Chapter 5. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is an art, and it's crucial for a successful first date. Active listening involves more than just hearing the words she says. Practice being present in the moment without distractions. One effective technique is to mirror her emotions and expressions. Avoid interrupting or jumping in with your own stories too quickly. Show that you're open to learning about her world and that you value her individuality. Chapter 6. Keep the conversation light and fun. Now let's talk about the tone of your conversation. First dates are all about getting to know each other and having a good time, so it's important to keep the conversation light and fun. Avoid heavy or controversial topics that might create tension or discomfort. Think about the things that make you both smile and laugh. Humor is a great way to lighten the mood and make the date enjoyable. By keeping the conversation light and fun, You create an environment where you can both relax and enjoy each other's company. Chapter 7. Compliment her sincerely. Compliments can be a powerful way to make her feel special and appreciated, but it's important to be sincere. A genuine compliment shows that you've noticed something unique about her and that you appreciate it. When giving compliments, be specific. It's also important to balance your compliments. Don't overdo it or make it seem forced. Pay attention to her reactions to your compliments. Be genuine and heartfelt in your compliments, and she'll notice and appreciate it. Chapter 8. Be yourself. One of the most important tips for a successful first date is to be yourself. Authenticity is key when it comes to building a real connection. Being yourself means being honest about your interests, opinions, and experiences. Confidence in your true self is attractive and shows that you're comfortable in your own skin. It also encourages her to be herself, creating an environment of mutual respect and understanding. Authenticity is the key to a successful and fulfilling connection. Chapter 9. Plan a thoughtful date. Planning a thoughtful date shows that you've put effort and consideration into making the experience special. It's not just about the activity itself, but the thought and care you put into organizing it. This can make a significant difference in how the date is perceived and enjoyed. Start by considering what she enjoys. Think about her hobbies, interests, and passions. Does she love painting, hiking, or maybe trying out new cuisines? Understanding what brings her joy can help you plan a date that she will truly appreciate. Tailoring the date to her interests shows that you've been paying attention and that you care about making her happy. It's the little things that count, like remembering her favorite book or the type of music she loves. These details can turn a good date into a great one. Pay attention to the details. Make reservations if needed, plan the logistics, and think about how you can make the experience smooth and enjoyable. This includes considering the timing, location, and any special arrangements that might enhance the experience. A thoughtful date also includes being prepared for any contingencies. Check the weather forecast and have a backup plan in case of unexpected changes. Bringing an umbrella or a small backpack with essentials can show that you're considerate and prepared for anything. A thoughtful date doesn't have to be extravagant, it just needs to show that you've put thought and effort into making it special. Sometimes the simplest gestures like a picnic in the park or a cozy meal at home can be the most memorable. The key is to make her feel valued and appreciated. Chapter 10. End the date on a positive note. Ending the date on a positive note is just as important as how you start it. The final moments of your date can leave a lasting impression, so it's crucial to make them count. A positive ending can set the tone for future interactions and ensure that both of you leave with fond memories. As the date comes to a close, express your gratitude and let her know that you had a great time. A simple "thank you for tonight, I really enjoyed our time together" can go a long way. It shows that you appreciate her company and the effort she put into the date. If you're interested in seeing her again, don't be afraid to express that. You could say something like, "I had a wonderful time and would love to see you again." This not only shows your interest, but also gives her a clear indication of your feelings. Pay attention to her body language and responses. If she seems enthusiastic and reciprocates your interest, that's a great sign. However, if she appears hesitant or distant, respect her feelings and give her space. Understanding and respecting her cues can make a big difference. The key is to leave her with a positive feeling and a desire to see you again. A warm hug or a genuine smile can convey your feelings without words. Laughter and lighthearted moments can also help end the date on a high note. Ending the date on a high note sets the stage for future interactions and leaves both of you with fond memories of the evening. A meaningful goodbye, perhaps with a smile or a lingering eye contact, can leave a lasting impression. Remember, the goal is to make her feel valued and appreciated, ensuring that she looks forward to seeing you again. And there you have it, folks. 10 essential tips to impress her on your first date. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, happy dating!